Hi! Today we are taking a look at the Mosko Moto Alpine 60 mounted on the KTM 890 Adventure using the Perun Moto Small Billet Rack and tie-down brackets. Both Perun Moto products fit the KTM 790 Adventure as well. Although the Alpine 60 can be mounted using straps alone, our Small Billet Rack supports the Mosko Moto Gnoblin quick mounting system, which makes taking the luggage on and off the bike much quicker. For this setup, the Gnoblin is installed in the rear mounting hole on the rack. The Alpine 60 harness itself offers a single Gnoblin position. The lower straps are anchored to the Perun Moto tie-down brackets. Their strap-friendly, smoothly chamfered edges help minimize webbing wear, even after repeated mounting and removal. Once everything is tightened, the luggage becomes part of the bike. The harness is supported by the bike's side panels, while the underside barely touches the edges of the small billet rack. Despite the size of the bags, there is enough clearance to the stock silencer, so heat is not a concern. The Alpine 60 works well as a standalone system or together with the optional 15-liter tail bag. Attaching it takes only a few seconds using the 4 integrated straps with buckles. With the luggage installed, the rider has plenty of room to move around freely. Only when shifting all the way to the back does the tail bag come into contact with the rider. The result is a clean, lightweight and highly stable luggage setup that's perfectly suited to the KTM 890 Adventure. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.